Hello, welcome to another podcast from Master Investor. Glad to be here again on another valuable talk on money, business, and investing. My name is Jose. I'm the founder of the company and brand here at Master Investor. Make sure to click the link in the description so that you join our inner circle with one of our digital products, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, Turn Passive Income On. You will also have the ebook. If you like to read books on Kindle, we have all of our ebooks on Kindle as well. We have 3 right now: the 10 New Rules of Money, the one I just mentioned, and How to Invest in Crypto to Build Wealth, Understanding Bitcoin and Blockchain. Make sure to get the digital course because it's going to help you understand how to create wealth successfully. Today we have 5 different asset classes that we can invest in to build passive income and capital gains income. Number 1, real estate. Number 2, business. Number 3, crypto. Number 4, paper assets. Number 5, commodities. They all require financial education. Today's March 4, 2024, Mastering the Art of Acquiring Cash Flow and Assets. Today's golden rule is build a brand, not just a business. A brand has intrinsic value and business integrity. Because if we're just building a business, then it can be replaced. And in order for a business to be a brand, we need to have intrinsic value, which means that it has something that is protected, intellectual property, a patent, something that is unique. It could be the logo that is trademarked, that is registered. Remember, that's what counts. The intrinsic value of a company is what turns it into a brand. So Nike is Nike because of the logo and the presence that they have. That's the value of Nike. Same thing with Coca-Cola. Apple is the name. It's not necessarily the product that is the most important. There are 8 elements of a successful business. Number 1, mission. Number 2, team. Number 3, leadership. Number 4, cash flow. Number 5, communications. Number 6, systems. Number 7, legal. Number 8, product. They all are as important as the product is. Okay, so it's not just let's focus on the product. The product is important, but we need to have all the rest of the elements that are required to have a successful business. That is called the cash flow triangle, and you'll learn that inside of our ebook. You will also understand how to create wealth with the new rules of money. You're going to learn about the cash flow circle, the cash flow business, cash flow system, how to put it together online, how to start creating your first sale on autopilot if you never made any money online. So if you want to learn how to have assets that are producing passive income and capital gains income, then this community is for you. Welcome to Master Investor. If you're an existing partner, then I appreciate you keeping Master Investor working and being part of our community. Okay, we're here every single day providing financial education made simple to help humanity raise financial IQ, because when we do that, then we can solve financial problems. Today's title: Business Principles for Building Passive Income Online. In the vast and ever-evolving landscape of the internet, establishing a successful online business demands more than just a great idea. While the digital realm presents unparalleled opportunities for entrepreneurship, navigating it requires a solid foundation built upon timeless business principles. Whether we are launching a startup or expanding an existing venture online, adhering to these fundamental principles can pave the way for sustained growth and success. Number 1, value proposition. At the core of any successful business lies a compelling value proposition. Clearly articulate what sets our product or service apart from the competition and how it addresses the needs or pain points of our target audience. Focus on delivering tangible benefits and solving real problems to resonate with our customers and differentiate our brand in the crowded online marketplace. Number 2, market research. Before diving headfirst into launching our online business, conduct thorough market research to gain insight into our target market, competitors, and industry trends. Identify gaps in the market, understand consumer preferences and behavior, and validate demand for our offering. Armed with this knowledge, we can tailor our strategies and offerings to better meet the needs of our audience and position our business for success. Number 3, customer-centric approach. Building a successful online business hinge on understanding and prioritizing the needs of our customers. Adopt a customer-centric mindset and strive to deliver exceptional value and experiences at every touch point. Listen to customer feedback, engage with our audience on social media, and leverage data analytics to gain insights into their preferences and behavior. By putting the customer first, we can foster loyalty, drive repeat business, and fuel organic growth through word-of-mouth referrals. Number 4, quality products, services in the digital realm where competition is fierce and attention spans are fleeting. Quality is paramount. Invest in creating high-quality products or services that deliver on our brand promise and exceed customers' expectation. On the promise and over-deliver. Whether it is innovative features, superior craftsmanship, or exceptional customer service, prioritize excellence in every aspect of our business to build trust and credibility with our audience. Number 5, strategic branding. Our brand is more than just a logo or catchy slogan. It is the essence of our business and the emotional connection we forge with our audience. Develop a strong brand identity that reflects our values, personality, and unique selling proposition. Consistently communicate our brand story and messaging across all channels, from our website and social media profiles to our marketing materials and customer interactions. By building a distinct and memorable brand, we can stand out in crowded marketplace and attract loyal followers. Number 6, effective marketing. A robust marketing strategy is essential for driving visibility, generating leads, and converting prospects into customers. Leverage a mix of digital marketing tactics, including search engine optimization, SEO, content marketing, social media advertising, email marketing, and influencer partnerships to reach our target audience and drive engagement. Track key performance indicators, also known as KPI, and iterate on our marketing efforts based on data and insight to optimize performance and maximize ROI, or known as return on investment. Number 7, adaptability and innovation. The digital landscape is constantly evolving with new technologies, trends, and consumer behaviors shaping the way businesses operate. Stay agile and adaptable by embracing change and proactively innovating to stay ahead of the curve. Keep a pulse on industry developments, monitor competitor activities, and continuously experiment with new ideas and strategies to stay relevant and competitive in the ever-changing online marketplace. Number 8, focus on sustainability. Sustainability is no longer just a buzzword. It is a business imperative in today's socially and environmentally conscious world. Incorporate sustainable practices into our business operations, from our sourcing eco-friendly materials to reducing waste and carbon emissions. Demonstrate our commitment to sustainability through transparent communication and responsible business practices, resonating with eco-conscious consumers and fostering long-term loyalty and trust. By adhering to these timeless business principles, entrepreneurs can build a solid foundation for success in the digital realm. While the online landscape presents unique challenges and opportunities, the fundamental principles of value creation, customer focus, quality branding, marketing, adaptability, and sustainability remain as relevant as ever in building a thriving online enterprise. Make sure you click the link in the description to access our digital course and get our ebook, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet. Let me know what you think of today's talk. If you have a question, drop it below in the comment section. I'll be answering any feedback that our community has. And I appreciate your business and time. Again, remember, there are 2 types of debt, good debt and bad debt. We encourage everyone to learn how to manage debt, not to be afraid of debt, to use good debt, obviously, to get wealthy, because good debt goes hand to hand with an asset and bad debt goes hand to hand with a liability. And there's nothing wrong with having liabilities. We just need to focus on our asset column so that all of our assets can pay for any liability that we have on our liability column. Every liability has an expense, and we just need to have a business or an investment that pays for that liability. So it's free at the end of the day. When you do it with the ultra wealthy mindset, we can position ourselves to obtain everything legally for free, successfully. If you want to learn more about business principles that work in all economies, follow us on all social media platforms. Join our inner circle, invest in your financial education here with us at Master Investor. Also, there are many communities and great mentors out there. So align with whoever you feel that best fits you for whatever is that you're attempting to do regarding your financial goals. However, Master Investor is the go-to for the authentic ultra wealthy mindset. We literally are the authentic brand of money, business, and investing because we keep it 100% raw. We take the wealthy mindset and we break it down in different courses, different products. Everything is catered to build our asset column to give power back to the investor, to you, to us, so that we can all grow our asset column together and build the wealth that we all desire. Bringing the good and bad news of money, the business principles that work in all economies. Thank you for listening to another podcast, and make sure to start investing today. Turn your income into passive income and capital gains income. We can only do that when we have financial education. So does it take money to make money? Not necessarily. What it takes is financial education, and then money can make money. But if we don't have financial education, then what happens is the individual gambles with the money. Okay, so do we need money to start making passive income today? Not necessarily, because we can start a website for free. We can do drop shipping. We don't even need to create our products. We can use affiliate marketing products. So we just use other people's products to make passive income. And all we have to do is drive traffic. How do we get that traffic? We can do it organically through videos, blogs, forums, many different ways that we can actually position ourselves to create sales on autopilot without any money. Learn the 3 simple steps to create wealth online. Number 1, have a landing page. Number 2, have an email autoresponder. Number 3, have targeted traffic going to that landing page, and you need a product to offer to those leads. You want to learn more about how to put a system together, a system of systems. That's a business. A sound business is a system of systems. Okay, so we're focusing on building our asset column with assets that are producing passive income and capital gains income. And those assets makes us money whenever we're not working. Otherwise, it's not an asset. We cannot call an asset if it's not making us money whenever we're not working. An asset has to make us money. Yes, we will take time and effort to put it together at the beginning, but once it's set, then the asset is supposed to make us money over and over again on autopilot. And we are overseeing the operation. We always work on our business, never in our business. On our business is a big difference between inside of our business and on our business. Okay, because people that work in the business, they own a job. The business cannot run without them. Okay, we have to be able to continue to build our asset column, so we need to take control of our time and protect our time at all times. So we want to have businesses that are sound businesses, meaning that are producing passive income and capital gains income on autopilot because it has a system of systems. Anyway, I'll talk to you on the next podcast, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel because we're doing a live stream there every day with strategies and many golden nuggets that I'll be showing you during the entire live stream, so that we can build our asset column and create sales on autopilot. To create $1 million a year on cash flow, we must make and profit every single day on autopilot $2,700 and some change. So almost $2,800 per day. If we make $2,800 per day, then we're over $1 million a year. And meaning $2,800 after all expenses are paid. So if we're paying marketing, if we're doing this, we're doing that, we have to take all that into account and make sure that whatever our bottom line is over $2,800. That means we're over $1 million per year. It's not that much when you break it down like that. And one product can bring you more than that. There are high ticket items that are affiliate products that pay high commissions. Okay, so, and there are low ticket items and medium ticket items. So find whatever you want to sell to create that $2,800 mark, because once you reach that, then you're creating $1 million of cash flow per year on autopilot. Stay extraordinary and wealthy. Bye for now.